What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my Fitness Friday. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming, and please remember to subscribe before you leave and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss anything. If it's your second time here, you know how we roll. Just sending kisses your way. So today is Fitness Friday, and I'm going to share with you different workouts, actually different crunches that you can do in order to work on your upper abs. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I already did my warm-up, so right now we're just gonna go into it. If you haven't done your warm-up, there's a video that I did last week about how to, the kind of warm-ups that I usually do before I start my workouts. You can click on it and then do that warm-up, then come back for this upper abs workout. Yeah, so let's get into this.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left.
This is what you do. Put your legs together like that. I don't even know how many those are, but let's continue. One, side, side. One, side, side. Oh my good people, that's it for today's workout. Those are some of the crunches that I feel you need to do if you want to work on your upper abs Yes, they are working for me, they can also work for you. So if you've gotten here and you've been working out with you, thank you so much for joining me. And for even working out at home, it's a good thing you're doing to your body, you know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do. And until next week on Friday, kisses to you, my people. I love you. Love you. Bye.